So in this view here, what we use is a tool called SharpCloud, which provides us an interactive roadmap. What you can see on the left-hand side here, our deployment is divided into regions: Africa 1 and 2, Americas, Asia, Europe, and Global, which is the Global Secretariat. And what we're showing here is the status in the colors. The green is active. It's RAG status. Apologies. This is showing the status of the projects. The amber says we're monitoring. Blue is it's not yet assigned. We've not put a RAG status to it. What you might notice, and we'll have a look in a moment in more detail, is the you see these dots going along here. They're the key milestones that we've put into each of the deployment roadmap, so we can actually understand. Again, you can see the color. Green means it's completed. Amber means that it's in progress. Blue is it's not yet started. So in a one quick visual, we can see where we are on the current week. So you can see we've got some here which we've just re-baselined, and they're going to restart now the next couple of weeks. And you can see that we're looking for go live in the first quarter of January, and there are some other aspects out here on the left where we'll do some P2P or handing over to BAU. So you can see it's a pretty aggressive timeline, and we'll have a look at that in a bit more detail afterwards. So as we just showed you, we had a roadmap deployment. One of the tools we're using here is this interactive communication, what we can share both internally with the project team and also externally to the wider federation. What we have here is just several views. One is kind of looking at a dashboard where we can see the plans, current number of users, the federation income, where we're at any given time. And also on this side here, we give a status as to what the status of the project is and the RAG status. Again, we've made this so it's interactive. So if I want to look to see what's countries are monitoring, I can see them. And if I go into Australia, for example, I can see information about that particular country. So we've done this so that people are more can engage more with, as we talked about from a collaboration perspective. One last view that we want to share with you maybe is just our roadmap. So again, this roadmap, as we were talking earlier on in the previous slide, this is fully interactive, so you can actually see the milestones, their status: green completed, amber they're in progress, blue not yet assigned. If there's a problem, and we don't see any on there at the moment, some of those would have been red. Again, it's fully interactive, so as you if you press on any of these, and I'm just looking one in particular. So if I just take Tanzania for a moment, what we have is these data panels, again, that people can look, so they can actually find about the project, what the status is, what are the key milestones that we're looking for, what are the risks and issues. On this one, we don't have any at the moment. They're all very low. Are there any changes? And in some cases, we also link back to the SharePoint for the go, no, go readiness. In this case, we don't have any content listed on this one because it's not active at this stage. But you can see here, this makes it a very interactive way to engage our users so they can actually understand when their project is coming on live, but also as a project management tool.